guys owes me a third of a tank. Do you owe me any money for anything? I don't know. I know somebody. One of you guys owes me something. I'm so generous with letting like actual friends just like I'll be like, here, fill up.
Hello? Anybody home?
Is it coming out?
Hello? Bro. There we go. Nah.
Oh, no, you don't.
Nah, get out of here. I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. I've done this before, believe it or not.
Put gas in your thing?
Yeah, dude, yeah, I swear.
That's not your first tank?
No, it's not, I swear.
Oh. Time I look to my left, I look back like this. Whoosh!
You need to get one of these.
What kind is it? It's a bell.
Yeah.
I couldn't be caught dead in that. What are these, bicycles? What are these, bicycles? I'm gonna Photoshop a picture of you with a fucking bell helmet.
Look at this dude over here.
God, he's so black. Use your bathroom like you use mine, and then
Why'd you say you gotta pee? Well, I'm gonna use your bathroom.
use your bathroom like you use mine. It's going down. Are you ready?
I mean, I'm not completely full, but I'm like 90%, so I think we're good.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, if you're not empty, then I think we're golden.
Yeah, I can see it.
Hello.
so revved up in second and you try to pop it up like that when you're already way past it.
Yeah. Normally I can get him to come up and I can hold it for a second. That's about where I've gotten to, but I can't today.
The only thing that you were doing wrong is you were too early on the clutch.
Yeah.
Start and get up like at least 1,000 past that, like once you're like 1,000 RPMs into the meat of it.
Yeah.
Once you think you're in the power band, right there is where you want to. 30 miles an hour in second gear at probably 6,000 RPM. Stay on the throttle and let it get to the meat of it, and then right as you pop the clutch, twist, it will go click.
So you stay on the throttle when you pull in and then you give it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That way you get the initial pop, and then you can bring it up by power.
Yeah. I think we lost Josh. No!